Hello, everybody. It's Ranger Dan on our second part of our wonderful journey of the bus. I am down in the basement, and this is where we're going to be doing the work on the doors. So, yeah, they're a mess, and we're going to have some fun on this. Not really. I mean, pain in the butt. But we're going to use some old paneling that we have here at the house, so we don't have to go buy anything. Diana said she liked it, so that's what we're putting in it. And then on the outside, we're going to use some of that plastic stuff that they use on the showers to seal the door, because I'm not going to go out and buy tin for it. It's too cheap. I hope it works. But I'll put this on there, and then I'll spray clear coat on it before I put it all together, and then wax it down, and, make sure it's sealed. So let's head out to the garage, and let's get to work. Okay. So this is an outer shell, an aluminum outer shell. It's got wood behind, a wood door behind it is what it is. They put these stickers over the top of this, and it must hold in the water or react to the aluminum or something. Everywhere it's having problems is where it's underneath this wood. And I wonder if it's not leaking down from this window in behind it, and it just doesn't have anywhere to drain. Might be a little hole in there or something like this. This is probably letting the water run out. I don't know. I'm not a bus builder. It's just a pain in the butt. And you can see the water damage from that. Comes down to right here. This is not. Yeah, this is this wood in here. Look at that. And it's wet. So this does need to go. Yeah, we need to take that all out and just rebuild this door. I mean, it's a very, very small piece of plywood, probably. But I'll take that door apart, get it apart, get that window out of the middle of it. Got the window out, and I got this side off and this bottom piece here. Yeah, look at how nasty that is. That's supposed to drain, and I really don't think it drained. I didn't know there was another screw in it. I yanked it out anyway. But this is the wood behind it. It's just a very thin piece of wood. It's not very thick. So what we'll do is peel all that off, get rid of it. And then we'll, it's got styrofoam around the window. Have to look and see what's up underneath that. Yeah, it's just yeah, that's styrofoam. I'm just going to yank it out of there. We'll buy some new styrofoam. I don't care. of this stuff too. It's nasty. All this has been, I mean, it's been wet for years. And I think what happened on the other side too. Yeah, it's wet on this side, on the inside. And it's holding that moisture up against that outside metal and just rotting right through. So it will probably end up buying metal for out here. Put new metal out here. And that'll be our door project. Yeah. Alright folks, everybody's asking me why I'm taking these windows out on the camper. Let me show you. That's the door. It's supposed to be one piece. That's wood. What would you do? Would you take out the windows? Yeah. Same here. See you in a bit. Alright folks, so here's where we're at. We got the doors gutted. Nothing in them. I went and bought some of this Foamular Pink Panther project panels. And I got some of that there. I'm going to put that on the outside of the door, but this is going to be the insulation. So I just cut a little piece of it. That'll go in there. Another one in there. Another one there. Piece there. Piece there. And this door will be ready to go. And then we're just going to put some caulk tape stuff around it, stick it together, boom, be done. In like Flynn.
Wakes up at dawn with a plan in his head. Brews a strong pot like the coffee's undead. Coffee's the name, bold as a fist. Every sip feels like a caffeinated twist. Retired ranger still chasing thrills. With coffee and projects he conquers hills. Misadventures of Ranger Dan. Fixing, building, doing what he can. From roasting beans to a wobbly van. Life's a ride with Ranger Dan. He's got a toolbox and a mischievous grin. Sawdust flying, let the chaos begin. One day he's welding, the next he's a chef. Army tough, but his joke's a bit left. Caffeine fueled, his days are packed. You never know when he'll overreact. Misadventures of Ranger Dan. Fixing, building, doing what he can. From roasting beans to a wobbly van. Life's a ride with Ranger Dan.
Alright folks, so we got this one put together. It's stacked up, drying right now. We'll do the next door. I'll just do that off camera so you don't have to suffer through watching that. You already seen one of them. I'll do the other one, and then we'll put pieces on, the surround pieces on it. Tape it in real good. Get the paneling on the inside. It's going to be a light colored wood paneling. I'll show you when we get it. That'll be the start on the build. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe right here. Hit the subscribe button, the like, and the bell, and you'll know when we're getting a new video. And it really helps support our channel. Not that we're making any money off of this yet. We need 500 subscribers, and you can see we ain't anywhere close. But we're having fun doing it. That's all that counts. I'll see you in a little bit.